Hi learners, today we are covering the topic that is error handling and how we can handle errors in JavaScript. As we know, we can handle errors in JavaScript with the help of try, catch and finally blocks so that it can be gracefully manage the exceptions and prevent crashes. I will take a simple example and show you how you can manage or handle errors in JavaScript. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम एक फंक्शन क्रिएट करेंगे विद रजिस्टर न्यू यूज़र के नाम से. Put the username as a parameter. In a block of code, I will use the if condition to check the validity. If not username, then again in a block of code, so if there is no user filled in the username, then it will throw an exception and it will show an error that is username is required. And after that again I will handle a username for the registration. So here I will again create a function. Now we'll check with the board conditions. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम without any username इसे check करके देखेंगे. So here you can see there is a username is required exception error that is passed. अब यहाँ पे हम दूसरा example लेंगे, इसे silent कर देते हैं and we'll put the name. So here you can see welcome Gurpreet Kaur, you are now registered. So this is the answer. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep sharing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.